Hello, my name is Charika and I will tell you about my new project. This is called ID Card OCR, where I turn a national ID card into text like a normal OCR. So which ID card are we choosing? We're gonna do my dad's ID card. It's pretty simple and I'll show you how. You select a file right here. You can see the file. And you press this button, Perform OCR. You can see it's loading because I told it to. It may be a bit long because AppScript is slow. And here we have it. You may notice some of the text isn't here. Like right here, the name, this. But it's because I cut some of the code to make it look like this. How, you may ask? I'll go into that later, but first, we're gonna do the front end. This is the front end. It's where I put my HTML code right here. But I'm not gonna talk about the HTML. We're gonna talk about JavaScript. This is the front end JavaScript. Looks fancy. This is an event listener, where it listens to the back end, which is gonna be the AppScript. What is AppScript? I'll explain later. But first, let's focus on the front end. This is fetch. It fetches the data from the AppScript. Hence the name fetch. And this is your promise. Then it turns the thing into text and then puts it in our HTML. Now we're going to talk about AppScript. What is AppScript? AppScript is a free-to-use coding program made by Google, and all you need is just Google Chrome and a Google account. Pretty simple as that. This is a function called doPost. This is what it's gonna do when I click the button. This code right here. Before we save the file to drive, you have to turn the file into base64, which is basically for pictures. After that, you just put the file, and then don't forget to put this. This is pretty crucial because it's kind of being very important since it's OCR. Then we do the OCR. We open by the ID and get the text. And then we remove the file because we don't want to waste space. Although I have to warn, you need to use version 2. Version 3 does not work, so I can recommend version 2, and it only works in version 2. And boom, it works. But what else? What if you want to split some text? What if you want to say you don't want that part, so you remove that part? Then we can parse the code to make it look like this. First, if you want to know or have a reference, you gotta try these codes and then try it right here and then copy it and make a comment so you can know your reference. Then we're gonna split. This is basically enter. Now we extract each line using code. If you want to, remove a part of it and show a part of it, we can make a substring right here. We put whatever you want to remove with the length and the length of the line itself. It's very simple. Then we have this variable where we put everything together. And then we return the output with the variable. And this is how you make an ID card OCR. This is all I have to say for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll post my code into GitHub and hopefully you guys will find it useful. Thank you.